So the sewer comes out of the house, it goes in this right here, it fills the tank up. When the tank gets so high, it kicks on, throws the water into the city sewer. Our city's having a problem across the board where they're getting infiltration of rainwater into the tanks. This cap is a problem being missing because a little bit's going in. It's not enough to make a big difference. I will have Izzy come fix that because with that cap being off of there, what I got to worry about is I got to worry about something falling in there, people dropping stuff in there. Maybe they drop something like a ring in there and that grinder pump kicks on, and when it kicks on, it sucks that ring up into the grinder pump and it ruins the impeller on the grinder. We don't want that to happen. So another thing you might look at is you say, hey, it doesn't go all the way to the ground. And when I build a house, I don't want it on the ground, I want it above the ground. What they should have done on this, and we didn't do it, we do it now on a lot of our stuff, is we'll put some blocks around it to make it look nicer. But I want this right here, any water that runs off of this house and runs here, it'll run that way and it'll run out before it ever runs into the tank. So I want to make sure that none of my tanks, if it's got a bad seal, it'll allow, if water sits on it, the water goes in there. I mean, it is a tremendous amount of water that our city is dealing with right now that's infiltrating the system from rains. This isn't part of the problem really, not with that cap off, but it's something he needs to get fixed still. Having this set too low is definitely an issue. This is a little playground. I'll put a clause in my lease to whoever leases this property that the playground is not mine. And they're welcome to take it with them when they leave, or if they want me to remove it, I'll remove it, but I will not do any repair work to it.
Oh, really? They can take it when they leave?
I don't care, I don't want it. What am I gonna do with it?
You don't
So,
actually want it?
you know, it's a good little swing. I ain't swung in a long time. We're killing it, we're taking it out.
But the children love the swings.
Oh man, it's got rock wall on the ladder.
No way.
Yeah. If you're like 3, that would be great.